gorgeous Greek salad. So in the bowl, I have onion, Persian cucumber, tomatoes, a lemon, ready to dress the salad, a big chunk of Greek feta, it was about 3/4 of a pound, and a good couple of handfuls of pitted Kalamata olive. The onions I put away clean and ready to use. I've sliced it in one direction, as you see. We leave the root attached, so you could just give it a twist. Gather with our bench scrape, throw it in the bowl. Persian cucumbers are delightful because you don't have to seed them. A seedless or English cucumber still has a center that's very wet. So if this were a larger seedless cucumber, I would scrape through the center there still, even though they are seedless, right? It still puts a lot of moisture in the salad that I don't want. So these little guys, what's beautiful about them is where the seed is in the center is so tiny, it doesn't really give off too much liquid. So I just run my knife through it, cut it into little spears and chop it. Kind of same thing with tomatoes. I don't like them to put too much liquid in. Of course, all vegetables are mostly water, and fruits. But you see how I've lightly seeded this? I just put it over the garbage bowl and worked some of the seed out with my fingertip, just so it's not putting too much liquid, excess liquid into the bowl. And I do 1 tomato per person that I'm cooking for. We're serving this dish twice today, believe it or not, in different variations. So I'm making a lot of salad. I used a whole onion. If I was cooking for 4, I'd use half. There's really no math to this. It's not a big deal. You're just dressing salad with lemon until you like the flavor. Add olive oil and salt. Very little salt because you have feta and olive. So I really just sprinkle a little over the tomatoes and cucumbers and call it a day with that. For the herb mixture for this, you can't use too much herb for me. And this is a combo of fresh mint, parsley, dill, and a little bit of fresh oregano. Fresh oregano you can use too much of. It'll taste floral or too perfumey. But these were big gobby handfuls of parsley and dill, a little bit less on the mint, and the smallest portion was just 2 sprigs of oregano, small hand of the mint, big fat handfuls of the dill and the parsley. Beautiful olive oil that my friend Lior sent me. His dad made this in Israel. Beautiful, gorgeous. Look at the color of that olive oil. Oh. Okay, the salad is done and that's great.